I'm Steve Clark of RFC of San Francisco, licensed general contractor and licensed plumber. Today, I'm going to talk about whether you should drywall behind a bathtub or shower enclosure. Well, if you look at most insulation guides, the answer is, according to the guides, no, you don't need to. Now, being a licensed plumber, I still worry about water getting in and penetrating and touching the studs. In the past, I used some things as cement board, but now there's some new technology on the market, these water membranes, which make it very light, which are very light and very efficient, and make it very nice to put these up on your studs. I do this behind the enclosure all the way up to give myself a nice level wall, and it works perfect, and I get no water penetration ever in my bathtubs. Today, we learned, should you drywall behind a bathtub and shower enclosure? I'm Steve Clark of RFC of San Francisco, general contractor, licensed plumber. Thanks for watching.